Shoot or eat 1 minute challenge. Kailangan nilang makasampung basket within 1 minute. Pag hindi nila nagawa yon, ay meron silang punishment of their choice. Pero kung magawa nila yung 10 basket, it will be 200 pesos. Hindi pwede yan. Kaya simulan na natin. Let's go! Ang pangalan mo?
Dave po.
Okay, Dave. Timer starts now. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, wala. Okay, Dave. Hindi mo nagawa ang 10 basket within 10 minutes, kaya yan, kakain ka ng lemon. See you next week.